Hello viewers, warm welcome to my channel. Myself Hari Prasanna. In today's video I have this car's remote key. This remote key, smart key or fob keys will come with a battery in it. If this battery goes down or if the battery is completely dead, how we can open the door? And with the dead battery in a remote, are we able to start the engine? We'll see that right now. For creating the same situation like dead battery, I have removed the battery from the remote and kept aside. With this condition, if I press lock, unlock, boot unlock buttons, yes, it is not working. Now the car doors are in locked condition. By using this mechanical key, I have to manually unlock the door and I will open the door like this. Yes, now I entered inside the car. Now let me see, without battery in this remote key, whether I can start the engine. Let me press this engine start stop button. Oh, the cluster is showing no key detected. Normally if the remote key battery is good, I can start the engine by keeping the key anywhere inside the car. But now the engine is not starting. Let's see how we can start the engine. To start the engine, you have to keep this remote key with the dead battery inside this particular cup holder, which is on the center console. Then try to start the engine. Yes, the ignition turned on. And let me try to start the engine. And here we go. The engine got started. And now we can go for a ride. You have seen this demonstration. This is called immobilizer failsafe function. In case of any malfunction in smart key or remote key or fob keys, you can still start the engine by keeping the key in specified location. Now let me tell you one quick tip about car's remote key. Don't keep the car's remote key near to the mobile phone or any other electronic gadget. That will lead to the quicker battery discharge. That's all in today's video. Please buckle your seatbelt while driving. Drive safely. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.